Hey guys, Anthony here. In this video, I showcase some of the male and female voices that are available in the public library of CloneVoice AI, which is an all-in-one AI voice app.
Hey guys, in this video, we showcase some of the voices available in the public library of CloneVoice. This first voice is called Radio DJ Girl.
Here is a very mature, deep-sounding male voice called Calm Documentary Narrator.
This one is another female voice called Breaking News Anchor. There are several of these voices.
Here is another one of my favorite voices. I think it would work well for narration. It is called Detective Voiceover.
This is another female voice, a little more mature voice and slower paced. This voice is called Astral Navigator.
This public voice is called Nature Narrator. It is another calm, deep-sounding voice, which is great for narration.
And finally, here is another female voice. This one sounds younger compared to the other female voices that were showcased in this video.
If you would like to try CloneVoice, check the link in the description section. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Thanks for stopping by.